Most people get this wrong when comparing Mistplay and CoinPop.ai. They look for a simple answer and ask, which app pays more? But here's the truth no one tells you. The better app depends on your location, the games available to you, and how you actually use the platform. In this video, you'll learn the key differences between Mistplay and CoinPop in 2026, how each app works, and which one may be the better choice based on your goals. Let's get straight into it. Both Mistplay and CoinPop are gaming reward apps. The basic idea is simple. You install games through the app, spend time playing, and earn points or rewards that can be redeemed through available reward options. At first glance, they seem very similar. That's why many users assume they offer exactly the same experience. But that's not always true. One major difference is game selection. For example, Alex installs Mistplay and receives a list of strategy and puzzle games. Meanwhile, John opens CoinPop and sees a different set of offers. Because earning opportunities are tied to available games, your results can vary significantly. Here's a quick win. Before focusing on earning rates, check which app offers games you actually enjoy. If you don't like the games, you're less likely to use the app consistently. But here's the problem. Many comparison videos focus only on potential earnings and ignore usability. An app may advertise attractive rewards, but if tracking is inconsistent or game options are limited in your region, your overall experience may be worse. This is where most people fail. They choose based on a single screenshot, instead of evaluating the complete user experience. Now here's where it gets interesting. Reward progress can feel different between users. Jake may reach his first redemption goal quickly because he has access to high-value offers. Alex may have different games available and experience a completely different earning pace. That's why there is no universal winner. In a minute, I'll show you the easiest way to decide between them. Try both apps for a short testing period. Track how quickly points accumulate, how many games you enjoy, and how close you get to your first reward. This gives you real results based on your own account rather than someone else's experience online. Here's another quick tip. Pay attention to app updates, reward availability, and support options. These factors often have a bigger impact on long-term satisfaction than small differences in earning rates. Let's recap. Mistplay and CoinPop both offer ways to earn rewards through mobile gaming, but the better choice depends on your location, game availability, and personal experience. Instead of chasing claims about which app pays more, compare how each platform performs for you. If this comparison helped you, leave a comment with your favorite gaming rewards app, hit the like button, and subscribe for more honest app comparisons, tech tutorials, and earning app guides.